Hello guys, it's Chuma here, back with another video, and for today I really am resuscitating dry hair and scalp. I felt like the Easter bank holiday last week was really just wow for my hair because I wasn't getting up to go to work, as in getting up to go to my desk to work. I really became reckless with my hair. Like I was sleeping anyhow, I wasn't moisturizing. It just became so dry and crispy. My scalp also suffered because of it. Like you guys know, I've been having this scalp situation. And so what you guys are about to see, whoa, just whoa, wait for it, just whoa. So that was the situation last week, and I was like, no, I need to do something about it. So I went about putting together a hot oil treatment as recommended by Tasha from the Hair Bar London. You guys know that in the last video that I did where I got my silk press done with her, link is above if you haven't seen it. She recommended doing hot oil treatments, and that would definitely help with my whole scalp situation because I don't have a diagnosis, sis. I can't see anybody right now to really understand what's happening with my scalp, but at least I can do things that I know will be able to help, right? And one of them is implementing hot oil treatments into my wash day routine, and this is exactly what I went about doing. So this video is showing you guys how I put together my hot oil treatment, how I work that through my hair, what my hair is looking like before and after that. I will be doing this for every single wash day routine, so you guys will get an update once I've tried it for about a month to see what the difference it's made to my scalp, and fingers crossed it will be a good one. In the meantime, check this video out and I'll catch you in a bit. Let's go. So for the hot oil treatment, I am using good old honey. Honey has got great benefits for the hair, and I will list all of the benefits in the description below. I'm also including olive oil into this mix. Again, olive oil has got great benefits for the hair. I'm also using Sunny Owl Jamaican black castor oil. This is straight up black castor oil with no added extra ingredients in there. I wanted to be able to keep the hot oil treatment as natural as possible. And finally, the cherry on the cake, which is tea tree. Tea tree is absolutely amazing for opening up those pores. You can just clear your scalp basically. You can just clear your scalp with it. I am putting all of these ingredients in a makeshift nozzle bottle. This bottle, literally, I removed the label from an old leave-in conditioner that had expired, so I threw that out. And then I found the nozzle from the top nozzle from another beauty product that I was using. So it wasn't a hair product, just another beauty product. And I found that the lid fit quite nicely with this nozzle. For the hot oil treatment, you always want to be able to find an applicator bottle so that you can penetrate the hot oil treatment directly onto the scalp. What I then go and do is boil some water and put this into a glass. I fill it in so that it's not boiling water but hot water. The bottle applicator that I'm using is still plastic, so if you put the plastic directly into boiling water, guess what is going to happen? So I just make sure that the bottle could sustain the hot water. You want this oil to be hot. That's the whole reason of why they call it a hot oil treatment, and that's why it works best this way. Okay guys, so the first thing I've done is sectioned my hair so that I can work in each section, making sure that I put the hot oil treatment in and it's penetrating into the scalp. And it's always easier to do that when you section your hair. I've got 6 smaller sections on each side that I'll be working with. I'll work my way to be able to create bantu knots with each section for the hot oil treatment. so let me show you guys how I apply the hot oil treatment. You've already seen it with this example here, where I apply it and then put the tie my hair into a bantu knot basically. So what I've done with each section, and guys, let me just remind you again of this situation here. Dry situation that we're working very hard to rectify. Expect some drip, by the way. I grab my hot oil treatment that you guys have seen me make, and then what I do and why it's important to have the nozzle is that you're working into your hair. So I go line by line. I apply the hot oil treatment on one line and then the other, and on the other side as well. Then I go in to the hair, just penetrate that directly onto the scalp and work that right into the hair. Okay, once I've done that, now I take the residue from the oil, because it won't know where to go basically and it will want to come down your face because of gravity. I work that up, so I get any excess oil that isn't already sitting there, and I work that up. If you wanted to apply the hot oil treatment to your hair as well, you would do exactly the same thing with the nozzle. You would apply it upwards on the hair, so you would kind of make your movements in the hot oil all the way up on your hair. I'm focusing on my scalp, and so I'm not doing that. But what I am doing is I am working the hot oil treatment up my hair strands so that it's still getting that nourishment, or still getting the ingredients into my hair. I'm just not immersing my hair in the oil because the focus is the scalp itself. But you can do that if you want. You can actually, if you feel that your hair is quite dry and you want that extra bit of moisture, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm literally, once I've got the oil in, I'm massaging that upwards, and then I am massaging that. So working that through, rubbing that in there. So getting that into my hair so that I lift the dead skin on my scalp with the hot oil treatment while it's still hot, and so that it gets the product in there as well so that it can work well. And then with that excess, I just move that up into my hair strands. And then you'll see I haven't detangled or anything, guys. But the moment you start to work that into your hair, it's naturally moisturizing. Already you can see the difference with my hair in terms of how it's reacting. So it becomes softer, and I'm able to part my hair without any issues. If I tried to part my hair on its own, that would be a problem, guys. That would be a problem. Okay, so that is it. I wrapped my hair around with cling film a few times, and then I put this plastic bag over my head. It's quite a big plastic bag, but that's what I like about it, because I was able to wrap it around itself. And that basically helps to lock in the moisture, because for this process, we want to be able to retain the moisture into the hair as much as possible, so that when I sit under the hooded cap, then that is just working its magic and doing what it needs to do. I use my Aphrodite conditioning cap just to express the process. Usually you'd want to be able to keep in your hot oil treatment for at least a few hours, if not overnight. So I will keep this on for about 15 minutes, and then I will spend another 2 hours doing whatever I'm doing just to let the hot oil treatment work its magic. I will rinse out, wash, and condition as normal. Okay guys, I have rinsed out my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like after rinsing it out from the hot oil treatment. I haven't gone in with the shampoo just yet, so you may see some straggly bits that may come about when I'm showing you guys, but for the most part you can already see what improvement that is, how clean that is already, and I haven't even gone in with the shampoo. So the tea tree oil has great benefits in terms of lifting that dirt off of the skin so that you can go in and actually start improving your scalp. You can see that that's lifted up. So like I've said, I haven't gone in with my shampoo just yet, but I wanted to show you guys before I do that with the shampoo that the hot oil treatment really helps to lift off the skin. It really helps to lift it off. Okay guys, I am fresh out of the shower, fully cleansed hair now. So I have used a shampoo to be able to cleanse my hair. I use the Afrocentric Swish, which I find always cleanses my hair really well. And let's have a look inside. This is what my hair is looking like. And on this side, let's go in. Okay. I am really happy with this hot oil treatment. It really helped just bring up all of my scabby old dead skin that created the dry scalp, and now it really penetrated into my hair. Not to mention my hair is feeling super duper soft right now. So soft and moisturized even before I put the conditioner in my hair. So that's a great added bonus. Okay guys, and that is a wrap from me. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you have found it helpful. I will keep you guys updated on the progress of my scalp situation, and I promise I will continue to take better care of my hair, because like last week was just a little bit of a blip. It was a moment of like, I know we ain't going anywhere, so like why am I even trying, so type of thing. But at least like already I can feel a difference on my scalp. I know that it's definitely going to be able to help along the way as well, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. But give this video a thumbs up if it's been helpful, if you've enjoyed it. Also, comment below, have you faced something similar? What has helped you get through this whole process, especially if you had a proper diagnosis from a professional? That will be so helpful for other people as well. So please do comment below. Also, if you're joining me for the very first time or you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on the auto notification bell, and that way you never miss a beat. All right, guys, until next time, bye.